Welcome back to Unicorn. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make an easy, simple origami frog. So let's get started. Things you'll need is paper, your hands, and of course this video. That's pretty much it. So step 1, I'm going to fold a 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter paper in half. This part's a little confusing, but now you have to fold diagonally in half on one side. And then the other. I'm going to pinch both the left and right sides, and it's going to turn into a triangle sort of shape. I'm just going to fold the two corners of the triangle up. We're going to fold the bottom half in half. Now I'm going to fold the left and right sides towards the middle. Now I'm going to fold the bottom half up. Fold the left and right corners down into a triangular sort of way. Open the middle part. Fold the two tips down. Fold the two tips in half up. Fold the bottom part in half up. Fold down. Now it's time for the International Frog Race. It's about to begin in San Francisco right now. Seems like the first frog jumped pretty far, but not yet to the finish line. Looks like we have a winner for the International Frog Contest. And that's it for today's news channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Unicorn.